Today I will tell you about the MFF deferred tax. Amendment to MFF 112, income tax related to asset and liability from a single taxation. And next, for initial duration, deferred tax liability are recognized for all temporary difference, and deferred tax asset are recognized for all deductive temporary difference and carry forward of initial tax credit and initial tax losses to extent that it will probable to taxable profit will be available. And next, second measurement, deferred tax asset and liability are measured at tax rate they are intended to apply to the year when the asset is realized and liability settled based on tax rate and tax law of JF be enacted at the reporting date. And next, for statement of financial year, for Thrive Property is 22 is more than 21, and CITOS at 21 is more than 22. AG is 2021 is more than 22. Dana is 2022 is more than 21. MQ is 2021 is more than 32. And net profit or loss, Thrift Property have many loss in 2021, and CITOS got the many profit in 2022, and My AG Service have a profit in 2021, then 2022 they have loss, and Danang have a profit in 2022 and 2021 have a loss, and for MQ Technology have nil in 2022 and nil in 2021.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azrul Hafiz bin Abdul Wahid and my metric number is S65564. And this lists amendments to MFRS 16, lease liability in a sale and leaseback. The group has selected not to recognize right of use asset and lease liabilities for short-term leases that have a lease term of 12 months or low value assets. The group recognizes lease liabilities to make lease payments and right of use assets associated with these leases and expenses on a straight line basis over the lease term. Subsequent measurement includes depreciation of the right of use asset and assessment of impairment charge. The lease liability initially measured at the present value or lease payments is affected by the accumulation of interest, scheduled repayments and remeasurement resulting from this reassessment or modification.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iqmah Dania bin Maliki. My matric number is S67019. For the leases, there are 3 companies that are increased for the statement of financial position, and for the MQ Technology Berhad, they are decreased for this company for statement of financial position. So for the statement of profit or loss, only one company they have the statement of profit or loss, which is My AG Services Berhad. Thank you.
Financial asset. For the initial recognition, financial asset are measured at amortized cost, fair value via others comprehensive income, and fair value through profit or loss in addition to their classification at the time of original recognition. The contractual cash flow characteristic of the financial asset and the business model of the company and group for their management determine the classification of financial assessment at the time of initial recognition. For the subsequent measurement, a financial asset, unless it is a trade receivable without a significant financing component, is initially measured at fair value plus or minus. For an item not at fair value through profit or loss, transaction costs that are directly attributed to its acquisition or issuance. A trade receivable without a significant financing component is initially measured at the transaction price. Subsequent to initial recognition, these financial assets are measured at amortized cost using the effective interest method. The amortized cost is reduced impairment losses, interest income, foreign exchange, and gain and loss, and impairment are recognized in profit or loss. Any gain or loss on the recognition is recognized in profit or loss. For the financial position, these 5 companies have increased their profit from 2021 to 2022. Example, for Dagang Berhad, 2021, 88 billion, while in 2022, profit increased to 144 billion. For the profit or loss, the four company increase in their profit. Even though the dagang Exchange Berhad in loss, but they decrease their losses from 2021, which is negative 55 billion to negative 9 billion. Just like three others company, except MQ Technology Berhad doesn't have profit or loss.
Financial ability divided by 2, which is financial ability, are initially recognized when an entity becomes a party to a contractual provisions of the instrument. They are measured at fair value at the date of recognition, which typically equals to the transaction price. If the liability is not subsequently measured at fair value through profit or loss, directly attributable transaction costs are included in its initial measurement. Example include loans, trade payables, and issued bond. For subsequent measurement is that fair value are measured through profit or loss. Directly attributable transaction costs are included in the initial measurement. Common example include loans, trade payables, and issue bond. As you can see here, my EG service is the highest among the other companies because due to aggressive growth strategies, industry characteristics, and prevailing economic condition. While MQ Technology may have the lowest liabilities compared to others because due to conservative financial management, less capital intensive industries, and maintaining strong cash flow and profitability. Thank you.